जय श्री राम। Sri Krishna Janmashtami is celebrated every year on the Ashtami date of the Krishna Paksha of Bhadrapada month. It is believed that Lord Krishna, the eighth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, was born on this day. The festival of Sri Krishna Janmashtami, Sri Krishna Janmashtami is one of the major festival of Hinduism. This year, Janmashtami will be celebrated on Monday, 13th August. It is believed that Lord Krishna was born at midnight. That is that is why the devotees of the Lord celebrate his birth anniversary at 12 o'clock in the night. According to astrology, the year of special combination of planets and uh, uh, celebration of planets and constellations is being made on Janmashtami. This year Janmashtami is this year Janmashtami is considered very especially due to the special combination of planets. According to the Sepulchres, according to Sepulchres, Lord Krishna was born in Rohini Nakshatra. According to astrology, this year Rohini Nakshatra and Ashtami date will be present on the Janmashtami. Apart from this, the moon will the moon will communicated in Taras due to this rare coincidence in importance of Janmashtami is increasing. It is believed that during this time the wishes of the devotees who worship Lord Krishna with sincere heart and are fulfilled. Janmashtami auspicious time. Ashtami Tithi will be start from 11:25 p.m. on the night of the 29 August, which will end time and at 1:59 p.m. on the night of 31st August. Rohini Nakshatra will be start from 6:39 a.m. on 13th August, which will end at 9:44 a.m. on 31st August. Abhijit Muhurt of worship, Abhijit Muhurt of Janmashtami will be from 11:56 a.m. on 13th August, 12:47 am late at night. Ritual: get up in the early morning and retired from with etc. and do cleanliness in the temple of house, light and lamp in the temple of the house, perform abhishek, perform jalabhishek of the deities. One this day Lord Krishna, child from Laddu Gopal, is worship jalabhishek of Laddu Gopal. On this day, put Lord Gopal is swing offer bhog to Laddu Gopal as per your wish. Keep in mind only sattvic things of offered to God. And if you are looking to if you are looking for an answer to your questions, then contact today on the phone numbers given below. Now about your happy future. If you want to get any problems and resolve through telephonic and appointment, then you can contact to given this number. You can note down this number 8376012195. Same is WhatsApp number 8376012195. Thank you for watching this video, and I request you to please like and share, and thank you for wishes, and wish you happy future. Thanks for all of you. Thank you.